Okay, hey, hope everybody's doing well. So the last video I did of cleaning grout, I was using a magic eraser and I was using Krud Kutter to basically clean the grout. And it worked great. And the problem was, let me see if I get over here. The problem was, let's see if I can get these. I kind of just bought these online, and these are some magic erasers. And what was happening was that, oh, let me put my knee pad, it hurts. I've been kneeling down so much, my knees are starting to hurt. So what was happening was when I was cleaning the grout with this, and I would do, I'd first spray this guy and then clean it with a toothbrush, you know, kind of agitated. And then I'd pick it up with a paper towel, and then I'd spray this again, and I'd use the magic eraser, and man, it would really pick up even more stuff. Well, the problem was, as I'm doing this number, it's literally cleaning. Oh, let me go over here. It's literally cleaning as I'm doing this number. It's literally cleaning that much of the tile, and so the center was pretty bad. I mean, we've been here for 26 years. And yes, I do at least once or twice a week. I vacuum. I have an in-house vacuum. I try to vacuum, and then I would use a mop. And you know, through the years, you started noticing a lot of the crud and stuff in the grout. And I just don't think they sealed it. Bottom line, okay. And, the contractor told me they sealed it, but I doubt it. Anyway, so I'm like, okay, they gotta make these things larger. Well, they do in the magic eraser. This is a mop, okay? And so, I mean, I bought an extra one. By the way, they're not a sponsor of this. And so, I mean, you could just use this if you wanted to, you know, to clean the floor. Now, I have tried to clean the center part of the tiles two ways, one with Krud Kutter and one with just regular Dawn soap that I've diluted, and both of them work great because it's this guy that lifts up the dirt. Again, like I said on the other alien technology in here. You know, I haven't really tried just using Dawn soap and just a paper towel to see if it'll come up. I'm pretty sure it would, but anyway, so I'm going to move this to just show you. I've already cleaned this area, and you can see how white it is. Okay, the mop, I got it at an Ace Hardware. I had to drive like 20 minutes because Walmart didn't have it, neither did HEB. I live in South Texas, just off the Mexican border. Neither did Target, neither did Home Depot, neither did Lowe's. And I don't know, I think Lowe's and Home Depot may have had it, but then you got to order it and it's got to wait. Amazon, the same thing. So I looked around for just some local Ace Hardware, and they had them over there, so I went and bought one. It was $19.99 for that, and I can't remember. I think it's $10 for the, you know, for this guy. And I bought some extra, what do you call it, Krud Kutter, because I'm running low. So let me go, and you'll be able to see the darkness difference. So let me see if I can move you guys real nice and slow here. And so right there, right in front of the oven, you can see how it's a dark, and I'll point to it where it's just darker right in the middle. Okay, and so it definitely extends. Let me see if I can. It definitely extends all the way over there. Okay, and you know what? Let me go ahead and clean that real quick. I'm going to move this out of the way. Move that out of the way, and all I did was just the Krud Kutter, okay? And I'm not spraying a lot. I'm just spraying this lightly Okay, just lightly like that. All right. I have put this into some water and squeezed it out, or what do you call it? Squeezed out the water. But you can kind of see, I mean, I'm probably going to pick up a lot of other dirt. And this is it, just doing this number. Gonna get underneath here. Okay. And then, you know, if you can, go this way, sideways. Sometimes you can't. All right, now I'm gonna go, I'll be back. I'm gonna go and get all that off of there. Oop. I know y'all can see all that gunk that's on there. Okay. All right. I'll be back. Okay, so I just kind of washed that the mop off, and now I'm just using an old rag just to pick up the stuff that it left behind, and just doing it with my foot here. Now, can you go back with it over this with, you know, some, I don't know, fabuloso or something like that, or some pine sol and stuff? Sure, but you can see, you can definitely see the line where it cleaned all the way. So it really takes off the dirt. The problem now is I got to do the entire kitchen, the entire first floor. That's going to be the dilemma. You're going to clean, it's like, oh man, okay. Now I got to do the entire, you know, whatever room you're in, you're going to have to do the entire room. Because you're going to notice it. And me, I have OCD. I'm going to notice that every time I come into the kitchen. Okay? Well, I hope this helps. Once again, it's a magic, the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser Squeeze Mop, no less. And then I got an extra one of these guys for it. Okay? And then I had, this is the Krud Kutter that I've been using. This one's almost empty. And then all I do for this guy, this is Dawn water and Dawn soap. I put about that much Dawn soap, and then I fill this up. Now this is a very special sprayer that sprays a super fine mist, like so fine that if you breathe this, you'll choke. That's how fine this canister sprays. If I remember, I'll put some links in the what do you call it, on the video that I make. But yeah, it's like, let me see if I can spray it and see, and y'all can see it. I'll just clean it up. It's like super fine, super fine. By the way, I use that stuff. I have a Chadwick's triple play for my NSX. I have an old 92 NSX first generation, and I put the Chadwick's triple play in that that sprayer, and it just, you know, it is so fine. You know, when I'm waxing it, it just works so much better. So, all right. Anyway, hope you guys have a good day. See you guys.